Hello everybody, it is Mr. Modern Financials here coming at ya with another video. I have a lot more reviews coming up later this week. I'm reviewing Acorns app alongside a few other paid survey apps, so be sure you're subscribed to the channel if that does interest you. All we talk about here on the channel is ways to make money on the side, make money from home, make money on the internet, anything in those lines. That is what we talk about here on the Mr. Modern Financials channel. So stay tuned for that if that does interest you. Today we are reviewing the Pulse app, which is quite interesting because there's a lot I like about this app, but a lot I don't like about this. And I don't know which order I should really do this in. I guess I'll start off with what I like about it, and then I'll move on to what I think I really don't like about this. So let's get into it. So the way this app works is you basically do these little sort of survey-like things. They're not technically surveys. You kind of just give your opinion on things. And I like that they have a wide range of things. A lot of the paid survey apps, they just get redundant. This app doesn't. This app has a lot of different things they're going to ask your opinion on, whether it's food, whether it's politics, whether it's technology, anything. This app has a lot, which kind of is nice because it's not like you're just giving your opinion on the same old things, and it's not all just like demographic based, right? It's not all, a lot of other apps is kind of like the same question over and over again. You know, how much do you make a year? Would you purchase this item? Would you purchase that item? It's very corporate, right? For this app, it's not like that. It really does seem a little bit more friendly, and I also like the user layout. This app is well designed. You see some of these other survey apps, and it looks like it was designed, you know, by a real amateur. This app looks very professional, has a very professional feel to it. So I like the wide array of different topics as well as the professional feel. Another thing I like about this is they're relatively short surveys, literally a couple seconds, and that I think for some people is a great plus. A lot of people don't have the time to sit down for a few hours doing surveys, and you can knock it out just in a couple seconds. Really, it's not that difficult. Now, moving on to what I don't like about this app, and it's a big one, it's the pay. It is the pay. For my go-to survey app is Inbox Dollars, which is not really on the phone, it's on the computer, but that's my go-to if I'm gonna try and make some extra money doing paid surveys. That is my go-to. And if you do want to sign up with Inbox Dollars, use my link in the description. You will get yourself a $5 bonus for sign up. That is Inbox Dollars. Link in the description. Use my link, you get a $5 bonus. But for a phone app, this isn't bad, but the pay just it's not good. It's not there. You're only making like 5-10 cents every time you level up, and I think it gets more difficult to level up the longer you go. So over time, you're not really making that much money. It gets kind of difficult, and that's why I don't really like this app. I don't like the level up system. That's my main grievance with this app. I like things that just, you know, complete this survey and we will pay you this much. I like it clean and simple. This app is all about leveling up, and that has to do with marketing, right? A lot of people like that leveling up stuff, and that's cool for them. It's not for me, and overall, I will probably pass on this app. I might use it from time to time. It's not a great payout, so that's the main thing I'm looking for in apps. Everything else is great. Everything else is great, and maybe this app, as they get bigger and they get more investors, they get more advertisers, they get more funding, maybe they will improve the pay. So this app might be something you download now and wait on for a couple months until they get more funding, and maybe they up the pay. I don't really know, but it's definitely not something that you're gonna get any type of substantial money out of. Versus Inbox Dollars, you could actually make a couple dollars a survey, which, you know, still isn't a lot, but it's a lot better than like 10 cents. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, share it. I'll catch you in the next one. Mr. Modern Financials here, and have a great day.